Hey everyone, ever wondered what $100 can get you compared to a whopping $100 million? Let's dive right into it. First, with $100, you could treat yourself to a nice dinner, maybe even catch a movie or snag a pair of cool sneakers. It's practical money, everyday spending that most of us can relate to. Now, let's scale that up. Massively. Imagine what you could do with $100 million. We're no longer talking about just dinner or movies. That's mansion territory, private jets, and maybe even your own island. The kind of lifestyle you see in movies where money is no object, and the world is at your fingertips. With $100 million, you could also make a massive impact. Think about funding research, supporting charities, or starting your own foundation. It's power, the power to change lives on a large scale. So from buying a coffee to changing the world, money scales up what's possible. It's fascinating how the same number of zeros can mean such different realities, isn't it? What would you do if you had $100 million? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this quick comparison. Catch you in the next video.